To Pookie Codes, and today I've changed room because there's beautiful sunlight in this room. So today we're going to learn about Anaconda and how we can use it to install Python, a programming language we'll use for machine learning and deep learning. Let's get started. Hey everyone, this is James from the future in 10 minutes, and I just noticed that I forgot to explain some stuff. So Miniconda is a software that allows you to use Python on your local computer. So it's going to be really useful if you have Python code that you want to run on your computer. The difference between Miniconda and Anaconda is that Miniconda is just Anaconda but smaller and with less features, but the features that are not there are features that most people don't need. And you can always install them later. So without further ado, let's leave this to James in the past. Okay, so now I'm on Windows because I know that most people that are watching this video are most likely using Windows since it's the popular one. So we want to install Miniconda, which is just Anaconda but minified. That means that it's going to be smaller and usually it's faster for me to install it. So we have Miniconda. You see it's a free minimal installer for Conda, and to install it you have to go on the relevant link. So it's this link. I'm going to put it in the description, but you can also just search Miniconda, download Windows, and you'll see that it's going to appear as the first search result in DuckDuckGo at least. And as you see it's the same link as this time here, and this time here, and this time here. I have like four of the same links open. The beauty of retaking. So, continuing on, this is Miniconda, their website, and the link that we are interested is Miniconda 3 Windows 64-bit. I don't want to install Miniconda 3 Windows 64-bit Python 3.9 because I'm still not sure if everything, like all the packages, are adapted to Python 3.9. What this means in more simple terms is that I don't think other people adapted their code for Python 3.9. So let's just use Python 3.8 just to be safe, and I'm going to install Miniconda 3 Windows 64-bit. And as you can see, it finished installing, and you see all those Miniconda installations that I made during all those takes. And you're going to open it, and you can just run it here. So I'm running it like this, and then next, I agree, next, and as you can see, it's going to ask you for a folder. So I'm going to try to move it to another folder. So documents, make new folder, and then I'm going to call it, I'm going to go here, documents, make new folder, Anaconda placeholder, but you don't need to change it, only I should change it. Anaconda placeholder, and let's see if I can continue my installation like this. Okay, and now I can go and do next. In your case, if you haven't installed it, just use the default destination folder that they are providing you, but I already have it installed, so I have to move Anaconda somewhere else. I'm going to abort at the last second. So next, and then you'll see that there's the advanced option, there's this and this. So what I would do is that even though it says add Miniconda 3 to my path environment variable not recommended, I would say add it, because it's so much more practical to just have it, because it allows you to just use any command prompt that doesn't necessarily have Conda in it and be able to use Conda, because it adds Conda to your path, and the path is a list of programs in a folders that your command prompt is going to search for. So for example, when I open this command prompt, I can type commands to the computer and it will execute them. If I type, for example, Python Python, you'll see that this is the Python from Anaconda. Even though I don't have Anaconda, like it's not Anaconda's command prompt, but I still have Anaconda in it. So this is the magic of adding Miniconda 3 to your path environment variable. So you want to click on this add Miniconda, and it says not recommended because it's going to have some problems if you have like whatever uninstall and reinstalling Anaconda. But since it's your first time doing it, you won't face any problem. Trust me, it won't break your computer, it's not a virus. And I know I'm really bad because I'm recommending everyone to follow a not recommended option, but just trust me. So this is all there is we need to do, and we can just click on install, and then I'm going to cancel this. So please wait while I just abort Miniconda 3. I should have never just started it. And let's see if I can find it. So this one, end task. And as you can see, now it's gone. Beautiful. So that's pretty much all there is about adding Miniconda. So to verify that you have it installed, you should go on the command prompt, this thing here, and type conda activate. If you see a base being added here, it means that everything is working. And if you do python -- version and it gives you the Python output, then it truly means that you got Python and Anaconda and you're ready to do any Python projects on your local computer. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye!